Good morning, student. Today I am going to explain new topic, that is another type of chemical reaction. In previous session I was explained that different types of chemical reaction like displacement reaction, decomposition reaction, etc., etc. Now in this lecture I am going to explain oxidation and reduction reaction. After that I will explain a redox reaction, that is combination of oxidation and reduction reaction. So first let me start with oxidation. After that I will explain reduction. After that I will explain redox, that is combination of oxidation and reduction reaction. So this classical or basic concept of oxidation and reduction. So first, oxidation is a reaction in which oxygen is added, or don't consider and, oxygen is added or hydrogen is removed from a substance. That means only one should be done, either oxygen will be added or hydrogen will be removed. Only one should be done, both cannot be done on the same time. So whenever in any chemical reaction from the component hydrogen is removed, either oxygen is added, then we can say this is the oxidation reaction. Now the next one, for the reduction reaction, it is opposite of oxidation. Reduction is a reaction in which oxygen is removed from a substance or hydrogen is added to a substance. That means this is completely opposite to the oxidation reaction. Here also the same way, only one thing should be done, maybe oxygen is removed or hydrogen is added, both cannot be done together. Okay, now remembering these definitions is essential and easily done using this convenient acronym. See, I have written two different words, oil and rig. Oil, that means O, that is oxidation, I tends to is, L tends to loss. That is oxidation is related to loss of hydrogen because it is removing hydrogen, or another define that I will explain later on, that oxidation is related to loss of electron. On the same way, for the reduction is gain of electron, or it is the gain of hydrogen. Now I am just going to start basically the deep discussion of oxidation reduction reaction. First one, define, again I repeat the same, oxidation reaction, that is oxidation is a reaction in which oxygen is added or hydrogen is removed from a substance. Okay, I have just taken all the detail first for addition of oxygen, then I will explain on the basis of removal of hydrogen. So first topic, addition of oxygen. So oxygen added, I have taken one example, oxygen adds on to magnesium to become magnesium oxide. You can see here magnesium, that is 2 molecule of magnesium solid form, it is react with oxygen, that is O2. Now this oxygen is attached or added to the magnesium and it is formed magnesium oxide. So clearly you can see here in magnesium there is only magnesium, that is Mg, and here MgO, that means oxygen is added with magnesium, and that is why it is the oxidation reaction, but on the basis of addition of oxygen. Okay, now on the same way, removal of hydrogen, because in the define there is two things is written, that is addition of oxygen, that I already explained, and second it is written that removal of hydrogen. So I have taken another example. Hydrogen is removed from hydroiodic acid to liberate free iodine. Just see the example. Two molecule of Hi, that is hydroiodic acid, it's give 2Hg plus I2. You can see here from iodine hydrogen is removed. You can see here 2 iodine is there, 2I, that is 2 iodine and 2 hydrogen. So this hydrogen is removed and it is make free iodine, and that is why it is again oxidation reaction, but it is based on removal of hydrogen. That clearly you can see that we are getting the free form of iodine because hydrogen is removed from that Hi, that is hydroiodic acid. Okay, now the next one, reduction reaction. So define of the reduction reaction. So reduction is a reaction in which oxygen is removed, that is it is the opposite of oxidation reaction. So oxygen is removed from a substance or hydrogen is added to a substance. So again I am going to explain on the basis of oxygen is removed and another hydrogen is added. So first I have taken example related removal of oxygen. So oxygen is removed from copper oxide to form copper metal. You can see here CuO, that is copper oxide, plus carbon monoxide, that is CO. After doing the chemical reaction we will get Cu, that is copper reddish brown in color, plus carbon dioxide. You can see here from this reactant, that is CuO, from the copper oxide oxygen is removed and here we are getting the only copper, and that is why we can say that oxygen is removed. Okay, now the second one, on the basis of addition of hydrogen. So again I have taken one more example. Hydrogen adds to chlorine to form hydrogen chloride gas. H2 gas, that is hydrogen gas, plus chlorine Cl2, again in gas form. It form two molecule of HCl in gas form, that is hydrogen chloride. And you can see here that in chlorine, that is Cl2, hydrogen is added, and that is why it is a reduction reaction on the basis of addition of hydrogen to the substance. Okay, now the next topic, that is different key points that you have to remember during the studying of oxidation and reduction reaction. So key points related to oxidation and reduction reactions. Number one, oxidation and reduction with respect to oxygen transfer. That may be, number one, oxidation is the gain of oxygen. It is completely depend on our define that during oxidation oxygen is added, that is gain of oxygen, and during reduction, that removal of oxygen, that is loss of oxygen. So again I repeat the same, in the oxidation gain of oxygen and in the reduction loss of oxygen. For example, in the excretion of iron from its ore, you can see here Fe2O3. You can see here ferrous oxide, that is Fe2O3. Here you can see Fe, that means O3, that oxygen is removed, and that is why it is the reduction process. You can see this is the reduction process. and here carbon monoxide, here carbon dioxide. That means here one oxygen is added and it becomes that carbon dioxide, and that is why it is oxidation reaction. So these both properties proved, that is gain of oxygen, that is oxidation, loss of oxygen, that is reduction. Okay, now let me explain the next point, key point, second one, oxidation and reduction with respect to hydrogen transfer in the same way, but it is opposite. In previous one, addition of oxygen, it is called oxidation, but here addition of hydrogen, it is called reduction. Now come on this next point, that oxidation is the loss of hydrogen and reduction is the gain of hydrogen. That means this point is also based on the define in oxidation, that substance release hydrogen and that is loss of hydrogen, and in reduction it will gain or join hydrogen, that is gain of hydrogen. I have taken one more example, that is C2H5OH, oxidation loss by hydrogen. You can see here CH, that is how many O, that is one molecule of O, and here you can see 32516, that is 6 molecule of hydrogen is there, and this side you can see that only 314 molecule of hydrogen, that is oxidation by loss of hydrogen. Again I read the same, you can see here 32516 molecule of hydrogen, and this side 3 and 14 molecule of hydrogen. That is why due to loss of hydrogen it is oxidation. Second example I have taken in the same way, CH3CHO, and this side what is written, that is reduction by gain of hydrogen. Here you can see 314 molecule of hydrogen and here 32516 molecule of hydrogen, and that is why reduction is the gain of hydrogen, and that is why we can say this is the reduction reaction. How it become, that I will explain later on. Now the next key point, oxidation and reduction with respect to electron transfer. That the word, that rig and oil, I already explained. Rig, that is that reduction is that gaining of hydrogen. Now oxidation is loss of electron and reduction is gain of electron, that is oil, O, that is oxidation, IL, that is increasing of. Now oxidation is loss of electron and reduction is gain of electron. Again I have taken one more example, reduction gain by electrons. You can see here Cu, copper plus 2, and this side only Cu. That means what, here electron is getting, and that is why this power is reduced and becomes Cu, it is copper only, and that is why it is the reduction. Mg, it lost the electron and it become Mg plus 2, and that is why it is the oxidation by loss of electron. Again I repeat the same, that plus 2 and here there is no charge, here there is no charge, here plus 2 charge. That means whenever any that metal is donating electron, at that time it achieve positive charge. So you can see here Mg no charge, but here plus 2 charge, that means it releasing or losing 2 electron, and that is why it become oxidation. And here Cu plus 2, that means it is losing 2 electron, but here it is Cu, that means again it gaining 2 electron and it becomes Cu, and that is why it is the reduction, and this one is the oxidation. Okay, now the next topic, that is oxidation and reduction reaction, that is redox. Okay, so redox reaction, that is combination of both, that is oxidation and reduction reaction, redox, that is reduction, and ox, that is oxidation. So this is the combination form of reduction and oxidation both. This topic I will explain in the next lecture. Okay student, bye bye.